Are you looking for the best lawn chairs? In this video we will look at some of the best lawn chairs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Coleman Portable Camping Quad Chair. The Coleman Portable Camping Chair was a breeze to quickly set up and collapse in our backyard, earning our top spot. When keeping up with busy kids, the ease of opening and closing this chair was a lifesaver. Plus, it comes with a carrying case for easy toting on the go. Speaking of using this chair with kids, it got quickly covered with dirt and chalk during testing. Luckily, the polyester seat was easy to wash with water, and the material dried very quickly. Even after 3 months of storing the chair in a dirty garage with dozens of spilled drinks and dirt from a toy dump truck, the material still looks and feels great. Whether sitting on asphalt or uneven grass, the steel frame feels incredibly sturdy. We never felt that the chair was collapsing in on itself, like other lawn chairs we tested. The chair felt equally comfortable when tested with individuals of different heights and weights. While it's not padded, the seat mimics a hammock and molds to your body, providing ample support for hours. The wide seat and large armrests add to this chair's appeal. It also has the highest weight capacity on our list, at 325 pounds. Now onto the fun features. This chair comes with a cup holder and a fork and cooler pocket. This way, you can keep all of your favorite beverages easily accessible while you watch a game or lounge in the backyard. Dimensions: 18.9 by 23.62 by 40.55 inches. Material: alloy steel, polyester. Weight: 8.3 pounds. Weight capacity: 325 pounds. At number 2. Kijaro Dual Lock Camping Chair. If sturdiness is most important to you when shopping for a lawn chair, we recommend the Kijaro Dual Lock Chair. We used this chair with multiple people with varying body types, and they all felt equally supported. Plus, the steel frame's feet have platforms for extra stability on grass, pavement, or dirt. The durable material still looked as good as new after 3 months of testing, even after we regularly towed this chair to and from outdoor events, sometimes even on a bicycle. We opt to store it indoors when we're not using it, but are confident the strong construction can withstand inclement weather. Because this chair locks in place when open, it keeps the seat's fabric fully taut. This makes for a very supportive seat that won't sag like similar chairs. We enjoyed the extra support, but we think it may be too firm for some. The polyester seat has breathable mesh on the back, which is a lifesaver for hot days. However, we wish the fabric overall were more breathable or there were more mesh elements within the chair. While this is the heaviest single-person chair on this list, at just over 9 pounds, we still found it extremely portable. It comes with a carrying case with a strap to tote to and from the beach or tailgates. It also has a strap on the chair itself. The dual locking system ensures it stays closed while you carry it, but we prefer to use the bag to make the chair as compact as possible. Sports fans will love the dozens of designs available showcasing NFL team logos. Show your team pride at the next tailgate or viewing party. Dimensions: 26 by 35.5 by 37 inches. Material: polyethylene, steel. Weight: 9.6 pounds. Weight capacity: 300 pounds. At number 3. Kamp-Rite Outdoor 2-Person Lawn Chair. Though it's the largest and heaviest chair on our list, we were able to open the Kamp-Rite 2-Person Lawn Chair accordion style with just one hand. This made it easier to walk our dog to sporting events, and he appreciated climbing into the double chair for a comfortable and spacious sitting experience for two. After 2 hours of watching sports in this lawn chair, we didn't experience any neck or back pain, and our dog didn't complain either. The large chair felt equally sturdy on the uneven sports field in solid concrete. We constantly got questions about the chair at games and events, and we're happy to share the chair's comfortable and convenient features. However, you might want an extra hand to put the bigger chair back in its carrying case. Once inside, the convenient strap makes it easy to carry from place to place. While it's definitely heavier and takes up more space in your car or portable wagon, it's still less space than 2 chairs. We left it outside during heavy rain to test this chair's durability. The rainwater pooled on top of the polyester seat. We shook it off and left it in the sun to dry, which only took a few hours. We're confident that the sturdy chair could withstand any storm or rainy day without an issue. The only thing we noticed after 3 months of regular use was a few loose threads, but these were easy to cut away and didn't affect the integrity of the chair. The camping chair's maximum weight capacity is 500 pounds or 250 pounds per seat, which we found is on the lower side but still standard for lawn chairs. Another plus of this chair is the pair of cup holders on either side, so both users don't have to fight over one. Dimensions: 42 by 17 by 18 inches. Material: polyester, steel. Weight: 14 pounds. Weight capacity: 500 pounds. At number 4. Kijaro Beach Sling Chair. At 6.6 pounds, the Kijaro Beach Sling Chair is the lightest chair on our list, making it perfect for long treks across the beach or campsite. It collapses into a compact beach bag you can sling onto your back and be on your way. What's more, it was one of the most comfortable chairs we tested. The seat sits low, which we love for reclining and resting, but we still found it easy to get in and out of the chair. It has a removable headrest, so everyone has the option to use it or not. Bring on the heat because the seat of this chair has breathable mesh throughout to increase airflow and keep your whole body cooler on warm days. While being very compact and portable, this chair also has multiple storage options to help keep your essentials close. There are 2 cup holders, a zippered cooler pocket to store up to 6 12-ounce cans, and a detachable water-resistant organizer to store your electronics, wallet, or other essentials you don't want to get wet or dirty. Dimensions: 29 by 33 by 33.8 inches. Material: polyester, steel. Weight: 6.6 pounds. Weight capacity: 300 pounds. At number 5. Oniva Picnic Time Portable Folding Sports Chair. Next time you're camping or lounging on the front lawn and want to whip out a snack, a drink, or need a table to journal, consider the Oniva Sports Chair. Rivaling our best portable pick, this chair has the most storage pockets out of all the chairs on this list, including insulated beverage holders and a zippered pocket for valuables. During testing, we fell in love with the unique features this chair offers, but we didn't overlook the portability or comfort. It weighs 8.8 pounds and has straps to sling on your shoulder when folded. This chair doesn't have any lower back support, but there is extra padding on the armrests and backrest, which we enjoyed. Unlike other options on this list, there isn't any recline on the chair. Therefore, it's more suited for concerts or sports games. Still, you can't beat the storage and accessibility of this option. One tip for collapsing the chair: you have to press against the inner sides of the armrests with your forearms while pressing down on the seats with your hands. Don't worry, after a few times, it becomes second nature. Dimensions: 19 by 24 by 33 inches. Material: polyester, aluminum. Weight: 8.8 pounds. Weight capacity: 300 pounds.